Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can replace the Panasonic microwave light bulb. So there it is. On the right hand side is the light bulb. It's still working on this microwave here, but I'm going to show you how you can take it off and remove and replace it with a new light bulb. So it's right there. As you can see, we need to remove the power first. So this is for the Panasonic microwave. So here I'm going to remove the power cable, and that will turn off the microwave. Next we need to remove the top, right there, the top cover. There are screws on the side, and there are a few more screws on the back we need to remove. So remove the screws. So here, one screw on the side, a couple on the back right here. So just remove this screws. Okay, now so we're going to need to remove the cover. So let's see how you can remove the cover. Now you just need to lift up the cover and pull it out. This one here has a very high power charge, so you do not want to touch this at all. Don't touch anything. Just all you have to do is just remove this light bulb. So do not touch any electrical components. So here you can see there is a small clip on this light bulb. We need to unclip these two. So there are two clips right here. We need to clip them up. So just be careful. And here you can take it out. So here's the light bulb. So just pull out. Sometimes this can be a little bit hard, so you can see if it's too hard to pull out, just slip out the rubber, and then I'm just going to use a plier and pull out gently. No need to do it hard, just gently, so the plier will help a little bit in getting it out. So you can see using a plier can help us pull it out easier if it's a bit hard. So if it's not hard for you, then you can use your hand, but if it's become a little bit hard, just use a plier and pull it out. And so now you can get a replacement bulbs and put it back in. There's nothing wrong with this one. It's got food on it. It's a bit dirty, but still working fine. So with a brand new bulbs, just put it back in. So here, so this is a brand new bulbs. So we're just gonna place it back in, and then here this one we're gonna put it back in, and remember to close it with the rubber cover. And then we're just going to place it back in here. So before we do that, I'm just going to straighten out this metal here. This will help us put it back in. So I'm just going to put the light bulbs back in. So here, I'm just going to make sure you align it right here and come down, and then you can just kind of push it down like so, and over here as well we're just going to push it down, and that's it. So it's all good with a new light bulb. Place the back on. Now all you have to do is put the cover back on, and to make sure that all the clips fits in properly, and then you can put the screws back on the side and the screw on the back as well, and then you should be good to go. So that's it. So here, after replacing the light bulbs, you can test it out, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.